Hi, this dance is called Chau Cumbia, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on January 2023. 32 count, 4 walls, beginner level line dance, and there is 2 tags with 2 counts after wall 3 and wall 6. And there is 1 restart on wall 2 after 16 count. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Section 1, we start with a syncopated double step to right. Side together, side together, side together, side together, close touch. And then single step, side, close touch, side, close touch, side, close touch, side, close touch. Section 2, syncopated double step to left. Side together, side together, side together, side, close touch. And then half pivot to left, step forward. Half turn to left, step forward. And then quarter pivot to left, step forward. Quarter turn to left. And then weight on left foot. Section 3, rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, lock shuffle forward. Then half pivot to right, step forward, half turn to right, step right foot, weight on right foot, and then lock shuffle forward. And then last section, or section 4, which is hitch, cross touch, hitch, side, hitch, cross touch, hitch, and then side. And then step right foot to side, touch, together, side touch, together, and then step forward, close together. Okay, now let me repeat with a count. Okay, section 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and section 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, there is 2 tags with 2 counts, which is only side touch, close touch. Okay, with a count 1, 2. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can follow the step. I hope you enjoy the music, enjoy the choreo, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.